Welcome to Vesuvius, or Vesuvio. 1,000 metres. Took a bus up to 980, so we just started. There's about 244 metres to go, so it's certainly a large bus by any means. Great views though. On 114 metres, we're not too far away now. Wow, that's nice. It's a nice short hike, nice and steep. The heart rate going. First active volcano I've ever set foot on. Lots of remnants and such like. Oh, here we go. Like Fuji. Some nice stuff here. I'm sure Sky will be taking advantage of this in a bit. But yeah, first active, so I'm pleased with that really. It's a little box checked, isn't it? Bring it back, guys.
That's actually so cool.
That's impressive, isn't it?
Really cool. Oh my god.
How impressive is that, babe?
This is so cool. Red thing in those stones. What? Red. Yeah, that's scoriated lava. And when you get on the top. It was actually a question.
Wow, how impressive is that? Vesuvio. Thanks for joining. Enjoyed that. Little hike up an active volcano. Brilliant stuff. Sky's really enjoyed it. Being a geology nerd. So I've been explained and tutored and schooled on years volcano and volcanism. Thank you, Sky. If you've enjoyed, recommend Vesuvius if you're in the Naples area. Take care, guys. Catch you later.